What's up, you guys? It's Mr. Moody Dresser here, and today we're going to be talking about the do's and don'ts of purchasing a suit for beginners. Now, if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification button so you'll be notified when new videos like this drops. So let's get into it. I just express myself through style, you know. It's a vibe.
Enjoy.
Recently in my stories, I posted a funny meme referencing how frustrating it is to see someone wearing a suit improperly. Occasionally, I'll express myself in a humorous way. I have a very vivid sense of humor. But moving past the funny post, I thought to myself that there are many men out there who maybe simply don't know the ins and outs of how to properly wear a suit. I saw this as a great opportunity to make a YouTube video addressing just that. A lot of gentlemen's lifestyles doesn't require them to wear a suit often, even at all. However, I do recommend that you own at least one suit. You never know when the situation's going to call for it, and you want to be locked and loaded, ready to go. Now, I've noticed a few faux pas when it comes to wearing a suit, the most common being leaving the tag on the sleeve of the jacket. That's one of the first things you want to do when you get home is remove that tag. You can use a seam ripper or a pair of scissors. Just be sure to proceed carefully. You don't want to damage the fabric as you're removing the tag. Removing the stitching on the back vent of the jacket. A simple snip of the scissors will do, and you're good to go. If you're unsure of how a suit should properly fit, watching YouTube videos like this one and many others will definitely shorten the learning curve. If you want to quickly remove all the guesswork on how a suit should fit, then you want to get a custom suit. Let's bypass the fact that it's going to be a costly investment, because it is an investment indeed, and the tailor will make sure that it's made just for your body. But if you're looking for something a little bit more economically sound, you can also buy a suit off the rack, but I recommend that you do so from a store that primarily sells suits and tuxedos. They will more than likely have a staff member that knows how a suit should properly fit and can guide you in the right direction. Now guys, a lot of these mistakes that I'm mentioning in this video, I've also done myself. So there's no need to feel embarrassed. Like I always say, iron sharpens iron. Stay locked in for more videos like this, where I'll be sharing some of my approaches to style. Thank you for watching. Stay sharp, my friends.